Tutorial Services, a tutorial center for reading and writing.
Let's learn how to read. E, R, E, D, D. Now let's read the sounds together. Red, 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 red. F, E, D, D. Fed, 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 fed. B, B, E, D, D. B, B, bed, 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 bed. Now let's read the words again. D, red, D, fed, B, D, bed.
Let's read the words one more time.
Red, fed, bed.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.